My father said, Matt, I love my father. By the way, I love my father to death. I've got one of those Filipino fathers where I tell Dad, I love you, I love you, I love you. He goes, I know. I know. Never reciprocates to say I love you. My father one time said, Matt, I'm not sure this business thing is for you. You're getting a little old right now. And you should put your applications in for the CIA, the FBI, the Secret Service. And he literally had applications for me. He had applications for me and says, Matt, if you don't fill out these applications, he says, Matt, you just came out the Marine Corps and your security clearance and you might be getting too old now, all this stuff might expire. But Dad, give me 90 days. Give me till Thanksgiving. Let me show you start making $20,000 in a month. Let me show you start making $20,000 in a month. And will you back off a little bit if I do that? You know what he says? He goes like this. Huh. But you know, Dad, I'm gonna do it because I love you. Not because I'm trying to prove you're wrong. I'm doing it because I love you. I'm doing it because I want to show you that this last name that you gave me that I'm so proud of, I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna take it to the next level, Dad. My desire one of these days is to get my father to say to me, son, I love you. Son, you're something. Son, I'm proud of you. You know what? He said that. He said it, a little peep of it. I'm proud of you. Good job. No, he said good job. Good job. God, love it. You know, my father's getting up there in age. And I don't know how long that I have with him really. And I want him to say, hey son, you went opposite. Hey son, in the midst of you going opposite, you made something of yourself. Regardless of what everybody had to say about you, you made something of yourself. And yes, Matt, I'm proud of you. Yes, Matt, you're a man. Which he's never said to me. You're a man. Best thing you tell me, Matt, I love you. And that's why I tell my kids all the time, I love you, I'm proud of you. And for the people that we have the honor to mentor, for the people that we have the honor to mentor in business, you're an extension of that. You're an extension of that, man. You're an extension of the impact that when we go opposite, that when you and I go opposite, when you stop listening to they, when you stop listening to when people talk smack about your dream, about your goal, about what you want to accomplish in life, about that you want to be somebody, you go opposite. You stop listening to they. Because they ain't done shit. And you want to believe in it, you want to express it, you want to do it, and nobody wants to believe in you. Nobody wants to trust you. Nobody wants to support you. And people talking smack. When you're trying to follow your dreams and go opposite what everybody in your life says, and they said this, shit. People are talking smack, you go opposite. They go low, you go high. Prove them wrong. It's all I've been doing my entire life, proving them wrong. They put doubt, disbelief in your head. They put doubt, disbelief in your thinking. You just had to go make a decision. You want to do something big. They're going to buy into the fears. They're going to buy into the doubts. They're not protecting you. They're disabling you. You think guys that go with the flow drive cars like this? Keep talking smack. And you drive a ship. Drive the lane of average and ordinary. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to do something right and special, that I put my flag in the ground, because I believe in what I'm doing. I believe in the crusade of capitalism. I believe in the crusade of free enterprise. I believe in the crusade of being me. Look how fast I get to my goals and dreams, because I go opposite. When somebody's putting doubt and disbelief in your head, go opposite. Because you know what? Because I call myself boss. There's pride in that. Whoever puts doubt and disbelief in your brain, tell them, show them, attack, man, play offense. Stop listening to them, and you do opposite. And you show them about what you want to accomplish in life, about that you want to be somebody, you go opposite. You stop listening to they. Because they ain't done shit.